Hey everyone, hope you all doing good. It's me Sameen and you are watching Life with Sameen. So this is today's look. It's so simple and I am going to create with this Kashi's makeup silk and sleek palette. First of all, I am going to use this shade. You can use any shade like this. You can use this shade from your palette, and every palette has these two shades. So I applied this color on my crease, and now I am going to apply on my lower lash line as well. Now this is a golden metallic shade, and I took this shade from the same palette and applying this metallic shade from my finger. So as well as I am going to apply on the lower lash. So now Miss Rose glitter, and I took this golden glitter. It's so soft look, and you can do on as a wedding guest makeup, and if you want teenage. Okay, now I am going to use this Kashi's black jet black eyeliner. It's so smooth and soft, and I use this eyeliner with the help of water, one drop water. Now I am applying this simple eyeliner. This is so smooth, soft, and you can do this. I am sure you can do this. तो please ये करें, ठीक है। और मुझे टैग ज़रूर करना है इंस्टाग्राम पे, उसका जी हैंडल मैं ऊपर दे दिया है, लाइफ विद समीन। और साथ ही साथ मैं इस तरह इनर आई को बनाते हुए मस्कारा अप्लाई कर दूंगी, एंड दिस इज़ द फाइनल लुक। आई होप यू लव दिस वीडियो। प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.